Hi guys, this is Julissa. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel, guys. It is Friday night, August 27, 2021, just about 11 p.m. here in the East Coast of the US, so it's almost Saturday. I wanted to come here and make this video, guys. Before I continue, thank you so much for subscribing. If you're a new subscriber, I thank you so much. Please share this video, guys. We need to unite as much as possible. We are definitely living in the last days, and if you haven't subscribed, I'm just asking to please subscribe and share the video. Today I'm going to talk to you guys about this guy in I believe in Australia who got arrested for sneezing. And the crazy thing, people will look at this video and be like, oh, that's ridiculous, it's just, you know, it's just made up and things like that. I heard something today that really shocked me. Besides the video that I posted here yesterday about the supermarket in France who was not allowing people to go in and shop unless they show proof of the first and second dosage. So if that doesn't shock you enough to understand what it is that is happening in this world, this guy got arrested. I mean, he got hunted down by the officials over there in Australia because he was known to have been, he tested obviously for the pandemic. And as you guys know, I have to use code words here in my channel before I get a strike, before he even gets monetized. But this guy tested positive for the pandemic, and he was told to isolate in a hotel, and apparently, they're tracking him down because for him to be arrested for sneezing. So he was caught in a video in an elevator where he was sneezing, and he was not wearing the covering, and he was just sneezing and being protective, and he was deemed as a worst of the worst. I can't. It's so hard to understand what's happening, guys. Not hard to understand, but like to see how people are just going along with it. And by people, I mean how they're using this whole pandemic as the ultimate worst ever possible. There are people right now walking the streets who are asymptomatic. Nobody knows. They might have been in contact with it, but because they have put, I honestly think, guys, they have put so much emphasis on this because we have been complying since the starting of the covering. So they're gonna use this as the boogeyman for everything else. Okay, they're gonna be like, oh, you know what, if you cannot show proof of this, then you're not coming in here. Proof of your first and second dosage. I actually just got a little upset just before I came here and do this video. I was, it's New Year Fashion Week coming up, Hispanic Heritage Month coming up. I'm looking for events where I can participate, and a lot of the things, once you scroll down and you see it, they're requiring you. They're like, make sure at the door you're gonna show proof that you got your first and second dosage. I mean, we have a supermarket asking people before they go and buy to show proof. We have doctors saying, don't come to my office unless you have the first and second dosage. It's gonna get worse, guys. The fact that officials in Australia were able to track down this guy, 27-year-old, let me tell you about him. 27-year-old, he was arrested and charged with 13 offenses because he failed to isolate for testing, for the pandemic that usually people recover within 10 days. And some of them, they don't even know if they have it because they are asymptomatic. I don't know what you guys think about that. They're gonna track you. You think this paper thing that you show, that they write there, they write for you, this day you got your first and second dosage, you think that's gonna last? I don't care if you get it laminated. Something else is coming that they're gonna make this more easable to track, because that's what they're gonna tell you. Now, not only are you being compliant with the whole thing, then you're going in December, you went, oh, it finally is here. Everybody been waiting for this first dosage. It's gonna save the world. And now people who had the first and the second one are being told, hey, you know, thank you for obeying, but you know, you have to still wear your covering, and perhaps you need another thing, and perhaps within 6 months of your first one you need another booster, right? Not only do you need 3 of them, you're gonna need boosters every 6 months. And people are like, oh, we'll follow whatever you say because, you know, it's been working so well for us. People are dying who had this thing, yet they're using it to take away our privacy, our rights. Like, we have to, like, I don't need to be asked all the time. I told you guys, I walked into UN's the other day, and I was, you know, I was completely, I just walked in, I wasn't even greeted. I just said it. I hope this video doesn't get canceled. Sorry, I might cut that off. So, sorry about that. I just wanted to say, I was asked, where is your thing? What is your thing that you have to wear on your face? It's getting crazy. Sometimes you don't want to tell people about that, right? You don't want to share your health information with nobody, because a lot of the time the people who are asking are strangers. So why do we have to do that? But I'm just gonna say this at the end right now. I heard today, guys, and I'm not trying to be, but I'm smiling because it's just getting so ridiculous, crazy. And the thing is, like, no matter how much you put it right here and you tell people what is going on, they still refuse to believe the fact that this has something else behind it. I heard somebody said they are telling pregnant women that unless they get their first or second thing, that will be the only way they're going to have their baby given to them when they deliver. I'm just going to leave it there. I cannot tell you who said that, but that is coming up next, guys. If you think walking into a supermarket and being demanded to show proof that you have your first or second dosage is not bad enough, I heard this will be the next thing. Okay, you're waiting your 9 months for your baby, and they're gonna say, hey, unless you get your thing, you're not gonna go home with your baby. So let me know what you guys think. Have a good night, everybody. God bless. This is Julissa. I am here to ask for a favor. I am trying to present my collection at this year New Year Fashion Week coming up in September, so that's happening very, very fast. I am currently working on a collection, but I need help to be able to present my collection during this year New Year Fashion Week. I'm doing a GoFundMe campaign. Anything that you are able to donate will be a big help. I want to say thank you so much. We all know the world needs the gospel of Christ more than ever. God bless. For watching my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. I hope to see you in the next video.